All right. 40 through 44 are some of the hardest but best questions in this section. All right, it says the chart below shows a set of energy levels that an electron in molecule A can occupy. The value of the energy in each level is shown to the right. An electron can move from one level to the next in two ways. All right. There is no chart anymore. No, yes, there is. This is the chart, sort of. There used to be a picture that went with it, too. All right, what we're saying is energy level 1, an electron would possess the amount of energy of 0.6. In energy 2, it would be 1.2. E3, 1.52, E4, 1.75, and E5, 2.07. That's what we're saying. Let's draw the picture that used to be there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our first. This is our fifth. We're saying each one of these has its own energy at which the electron would have as it spun around. Okay? Now, energy, if I go up a ladder, I'm increasing the energy that I have. If I go down, I decrease it. It's called increasing my potential. Here, we're doing the same thing with electron. The farther it moves away, the more energy it has. All right? So more energy. We've always said if an electron goes up, it comes down and releases that same amount of energy. All right, the amount of energy released is equal to the difference in the energy of each level. Okay, so we've talked about this before, we just never have done the math behind it. So let's think about what we're doing here. We're just talking about the difference in numerical value between energy levels. So looking at number 40. A sample containing many A molecules absorbs light, each photon of which carries 0.6 units of energy. As the light is absorbed, all right, so here I am, I'm some electron. In comes energy of 0.6. All right, I'm going to go up, but I can only go up 0.6. So in my problem, I've got to find one of these where the difference between the two of them is 0.6. That's easy. Look at E1 and E2, 0.60 and 0.120. That difference is a difference of 0.60. All right, so usually we talk about the electron going down because it releases, but in 40 we are absorbing, so the electron moves from level 1 to level 2. Cool, right? It's not that difficult. All right, let's erase the script now. All right, 41. A sample of molecule A emits light. All right, so it's emitting this time, so if it's emitting, it must be dropping. Each photon of which carries 0.32 units of energy. Which of the following statements best explains this observation? All right, so now we have to find one where there's a difference of 0.32. If I look at the fall from 3 to 2, it is a 0.32. How ironic is that? So this emits light when something has moved from 3 to 2. So both of these are A so far. That's not very hard. All right, in 42, it's 0.92. All right, 43, a little bit more complex, but I'm going to leave these to you because I think that they're great questions. Hopefully they make sense. If not, feel free to ask for help.